Hi, this is Jen with Rose & Collection. Today I'm going to show you how to thread the Brother PE800 embroidery only machine. This machine does have the pictures and step-by-step on how to thread the machine, as well as the tutorial on there as well. First, you will start by taking your thread, having the thread come off towards the bottom and back up. So towards the bottom and back up, and slide that on with it coming out under towards you, and grab the stopper and apply that, and take your thread. I always kind of wrap it around a few fingers just to be able to not drop it, and take it and follow number 1 down. So you'll go ahead and take it and put it down and under this arm here. Follow up to number 2. This one you'll actually be following the solid line number 2. Follow the line down, down to number 3, which you'll loop back up. Sometimes I find it helpful to kind of hold the thread up here so it doesn't keep trying to, sorry for the bouncing, I just bumped my phone. Follow that back up and up to number 4, and that'll go around the control arm, and so you'll go to the right side and then to the left and follow that down, and now you can pull that down. So down to number 5, and number 6 is labeled right here. It's actually going through this arm here. I love to use this Brother needle holder and thread pusher tool to push that thread, so I actually put it in that groove in that tool, and it goes onto this little arm here on number 6. So it helps push that on there instead of pushing my little finger or getting some tweezers. Number 7 is actually threading the needle. And to thread that needle, it has the lever up at the top here. So there's a lever to thread the needle. So what you'll do to thread the needle is there's a little cutout here. I have the thread go up towards that, so I kind of hold it up towards the machine, put my other hand on the lever, and push down on the lever. You do need to make sure the needle is all the way up in the upright position, and then just slowly let it click and release the tension on the thread and pull the thread through. And to show you one more time with how to use that threader, so it is through number 6 up here. Put in the little triangle crease here and use the lever with your other hand. Push down slowly and it'll snap and let it go. It takes a few times to get used to it. Again, thread puller tool. Love this little guy. I got it from Sewing Parts Direct. I will put the link in the description below. Also, the PE800, I will put that link below too if you're interested in purchasing that. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and thanks again.